Hi, my name's Dan Buttle from ETAS.
And my name is Carl Koenig-Ellis. I'm from Mima Information Technologies.
And welcome to the second video in our 3-video series about embedded data management for software-defined vehicles. In the last video, we talked about the general problem about how we can move from a signal and service-orientated architecture world into a pure data-driven world by marrying the AUTOSAR adaptive platform with an SQL database. In this video, what we actually want to talk about is the two technologies that we have from ETAS and from Mima to make this work. So as ETAS, the part that we bring to the solution is our RTA VRTE. That's our implementation of the AUTOSAR adaptive platform. It's AUTOSAR 2111 compliant, it supports both ARM and x86-64 architectures, and it works with BlackBerry QNX and Linux as a POSIX-based operating system.
And our part of this puzzle is the Mima SQL database, which is a multi-platform database. That means it runs on those operating systems and those architectures that VRT supports. And this is a fully relational database that has a full SQL support.
And the thing that we use to join those two things together is essentially a customized implementation of the ARA per persistency functional cluster. So from the perspective of an AUTOSAR adaptive application, it just looks like a normal ARA persistency layer. You can read and write files through that, you can read and write key value pairs through that. And for the key value pair part of the system, actually behind the scenes, we're interfacing directly to the Mima SQL technology.
And this is a really interesting part because you start with your key value pairs, so that is momentary data. And those pairs are typically, you can just read them and see them, but the point is if you work with the database, I can then from within the database transform that into something else that I can use. So I don't have to change the application nor the VRT, but within the database I can take that momentary data and I can build, say, a trend over time, a time series if you want, and use that for further analysis, for further work, or to build new things upon it.
So this is really great. So what we've actually done is to use the AUTOSAR adaptive platform technology to really act as middleware, bridging between the deeply embedded parts of the vehicle platform and then taking the information that we've got in and around the vehicle and then moving it across into the database world so that we can access it, we can manipulate that, we can modify it, we can do the time series things. So we've basically provided that bridge between the two worlds, therefore enabling software-defined vehicle technologies in the future. And in the next video in the series, which will be the third and final video, we're going to look at some of those use cases that this technology enables and talk in a little bit of more detail about what you can do when you have this infrastructure running on your platform. If you want to find out more about what ETAS does, then please click on the subscribe button below. That will tell you about other videos that are coming up, as well as our third and final video of this series. If you want to find out more information about ETAS or Mima, then please click in the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.